Political tension is mounting following a controversial declaration by the ZANU-PF Women's League that President Emmerson Mnangagwa should remain in office beyond 2028, a move that critics say openly undermines Zimbabwe's constitutional term limits and signals a dangerous drift towards authoritarianism. Sanabula mashoko kuda panguva ino tichiona vakomana veWomen's League panguva ino achiti mutungamiriri wenyika aigara in office beyond 2028. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The declaration made during the Women's League National Assembly on Friday was announced by the League's Secretary for Administration Senator Monica Mnangagwa, who confirmed that all provincial chairladies were rallying behind the resolution first made in Bulawayo. All chairladies are moving with the resolution made in Bulawayo for the president to stay in office beyond 2028, Mnangagwa stated in a speech that he has drawn sharp criticism from opposition figures and civic groups. The Zimbabwean constitution clearly states that a president can serve a maximum of 2 5-year terms. Mnangagwa, who is currently in his second final term, is due to step down in 2028, but the Women's League appears eager to reverse that through political pressure and loyalty pledges. In quotes, "We are not only pledging our political loyalty by leading in mobilization," Mnangagwa added. "Our women are taking the lead in self-verification and voter mobilization efforts. We want to modernize the party and make it attractive to young people." Critics, however, say the League's position is not only anti-democratic, but out of touch with the real struggles Zimbabwean women face, including economic hardships, healthcare inequalities, and gender-based violence. Instead of fighting for women's rights and economic empowerment, they are fighting to extend the term of a man whose leadership has left women worse off, said human rights advocate Thandeka Moyo. "This is not leadership, it is political servitude." Ndio mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino chionekwa the Women's League ichizama kuindosa mutungamiriri wenyika avo beyond 2028, but panguva ino ma-human rights group ari kuuya achiti aiwa these guys vanoita sekunge vasikanyatsi kushandisa brain instead yekuti vamirire kodzero dzevechikadzi, but panguva ino vanhu vachiextenda term aiwa yemumwe munhu. Pinda comment section medu unze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.